Hi guys, welcome to this section of Reddit ads. So let's have a look at what we're going to cover in this particular section. So we're going to start looking at understanding Reddit ads overview, where do Reddit ads appear, and the different types of ad formats on this platform. Then we'll see why are we running ads on Reddit and how to open this account. I will also show you the different campaign objectives which you get on this platform. And then we'll start looking at different campaign creations around brand awareness, website traffic campaign, video views campaign, conversions campaign, app installs campaign. And then I will also show you how we can use the audience manager on this platform. We will also cover other features of the platform like events manager, report manager, campaign import, bulk import, AI copywriter. These are some new features which they have, ad inspiration, post library. Also, I will be covering the other aspects of the platform, which is history, brand safety, and billing. And we'll also look at business manager on this platform. I hope by the end of this section, you understand Reddit ads in depth and you're able to use it practically for your business and for your clients. So thank you so much, guys. And let's get into this section and understand how Reddit ad works.